friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Italian bruschettas made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am going to start first here with the Roma tomatoes. I want to show you what I'm doing. I want to remove all the seeds from the center. The reason that I'm removing the seeds is because if you cut it in cubes with the seeds are going to create a lot of juices. And that's exactly what you don't want. When you have all your Roma tomatoes cut in half with no seeds, then this is the best part, cubing all your tomatoes. Let me tell you, this is going to take time, but your bruschettas are going to come out so delicious and amazing. Let me tell you, once you make it at home, you're going to continue making this amazing and delicious Italian bruschettas. Well, here, let me show you. I already cubed all my tomatoes. I'm going to put them aside. I'm going to continue with the basil. The basil, it's only one bunch. I'm only going to use the leaves. I'm going to roll them up and then slice them nice and thin. This basil is going to release the oils, the flavor throughout the tomatoes. So here I am going to go ahead and add it in here. I am going to continue with my garlic cloves. You might be thinking it's a lot of garlic, but let me tell you, no, it's not. It's going to be the perfect amount. You're going to slice, you're going to dice very small. The smaller the garlic is, the more infused your tomato is going to be. So take your time, dice it really small, reserve 1 tablespoon, add some olive oil to that garlic, put it aside because we're going to use it for our sourdough bread. So here I'm going to just add some balsamic vinegar and olive oil of your choice, okay? Any brand is fine. Here I'm adding first the olive oil. It's like 1/3, 1/4 of a cup. And then I'm adding the balsamic vinegar. I'm going to add it. I'm going to incorporate these amazing flavors. You could see my mouth is watering because you could really see all those little flavors, the garlic, the basil, salt, black pepper, tomato. Oh my gosh. You're going to cover it. You're going to put it aside. Put it in the refrigerator for at least 15 to 20 minutes so all the tomato absorbs those amazing flavors. And now I am going to continue with my sourdough. I have 3 slices of sourdough. I am going to put it on a sheet pan. I'm going to preheat my oven to 500 Fahrenheit. I'm going to add that garlic and butter right on the top. I'm adding it both sides, okay? Remember that I love garlic. So I'm going to add some garlic and the olive oil on the top. I'm going to top it off with Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't leave any garlic behind. This is going to taste, oh my gosh, amazing. Be generous with your Parmesan cheese. Add it on the top. Put it in the oven. And I'll see you when I'm bringing them out. They need to be nice and crispy. Look at this. The cheese is golden brown. The sourdough is crispy. And now this is the best part. Adding the tomato with the juices on the top. It's been about 20 minutes. It's been resting. You could see a little bit of liquid on the bottom. But let me tell you, once you make it, you are going to enjoy it. Fresh, delicious, perfect for this hot weather. And of course, a little bit of olive oil on the top, a little bit of the balsamic glaze on the top, and then I'm ready to enjoy. I'll see you in a little bit. Like, subscribe, and share. My friends, I am completely done with this bruschettas, Italian bruschettas, made at home with lots of love. Let me tell you, when you make them at home, you add more or less of what you love on your bruschettas. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm, so delicious. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Mm. If you like and love these amazing Italian bruschettas, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious Italian bruschettas with that balsamic glaze on the top. Oh my God. Perfection made at home. See you soon. Bye-bye.